2024 Rockwood Roo, the 235S. This is a Rockwood, so we've seen a couple Rockwoods already today. This is going to be the highest quality unit we sell here when it comes to the travel trailer fifth wheel side of things. So first thing you're going to notice on this one that's real cool is you're getting a full-size outdoor kitchen. So this is on a strut here, so this will just pull right out. That gives you your cooktop right there, and that's a Suburban. You get a nice refrigerator out here as well, so that's definitely cool to have. You can put your beer, your kids drink, whatever you want out there. And then it also has an ice maker too, so you can scoop some ice out. They give you the 18-inch gas griddle as well, so that'll actually slide right here onto this rail just like the Ibex. So that'll go there, so you can utilize kind of both cooking spots. Yeah, I mean, this is a real slick floor plan, and this is the way that you can sleep the most and get a little bit less camper, and I'll show you why inside. 20-foot awning, LED light strip underneath. Once again, plenty of living room for the outside as well. And then you may say, well, they included everything but an outside sink. Well, they actually give you a spray port here, so you set a table up and then that would be your spray port. So that's a real cool feature. They give you that. So yeah, and then they always do the Goodyear Endurance tires on these Rockwoods. That's part of their quality that they do. 2 outdoor waterproof speakers, and then this is actually blew right over this. This is actually a mount to put a TV on, so you just slide your TV in there. They give you a Furrion TV hook up there, and then they give you some outlets, so you can put just about anything out here. So you can have entertainment, cooking, and you cover all your everything that you'd want outside when you're trying to entertain people. Yeah, so that's about all for the outside here. So we'll head on inside, and I'll kind of show you what makes a Roo a Roo. So this is a 235S. So this is what I was saying. You can sleep the most people getting a little bit less camper. So the ones that don't want to go too long, this is considered a hybrid camper. So you just push out that bed. It's just like your standard pop-up bed. This one has solar panels on it already. So this is gonna have 30 amp solar controller right here. So that's nice for anybody that wants to boondock. Right here, you got a nice big sink. So this will actually uncoil here, and then you get deep sink. It is one basin, but it is deep and it is big. 3 burner gas cooktop right there, as well as your standard oven in here. That's one thing Rockwood does. They give you the microwave up top here. And then this is a cool feature they're doing in the 24s. So they actually do the refrigerators, and they actually will open from both sides. So that's a cool little wow factor that Rockwood's doing right now. And it's actually been a pretty good hit for us as we're the salesmen. It's really easy to pitch, so because it's pretty cool. They give you some storage in here as well. That's utilized as a pantry or whatever else you could fit in it. And then going here over to the entertainment, this is actually pretty cool how they do this. So Rockwood's all about quality, and when you have a TV set up, obviously wires look bad. So what they do here is they will actually give you the spot to put just about anything. I mean, that's some deep storage right there. So you can put all your wires back there and you don't have to see anything. You can actually put just about anything back there you want. There's a lot back there. So that just clicks in and won't come out. It does lock in. You get some more entertainment storage underneath here. So CDs, DVDs, if those are still a thing. Right here you get an electric fireplace. So that's going to put out heat, and that's going to be 110. So when you're plugged in, you're able to utilize that. And this is going to be a second bed. So the 235S is going to have 2 of these beds, and the 233S is very similar to this, and it's going to have 3 of these pop outs. So if you need an extra pop out, look at the 233S. It's basically the same thing. Then right here, you're getting the couch, and this is going to be your standard. It's just going to be a pull-out bed. So this one's actually going to be the pull-out, but you can turn this into theater seating as well. They give you that option. Then they also give you the tri-fold sofa option, so if you just want to fold it down. So that's that one. And then your dinette right here. This isn't a U-shape, but it actually has a lot of room in it. And then this will come up, but you can utilize it as a bed as well. So they kind of give you versatility with the Rockwoods. There's a lot of things you can change on these Rockwoods. So it's just seating, the booth. You can go table and chairs. So it's real cool how they kind of do everything. And like I said, Rockwood's top of the line quality for us. We only hear good things about them. And when I sell a customer a Rockwood, I know they're going to be taken care of because they are good units. So they're personally my favorite. But yeah, like right in here, they give you some more storage, and they actually give you hangers, and these will be removable. So if you want to remove all 3 of those, you can utilize that as a coat closet or shoes at the bottom or something like that. So once again, a lot of versatility. So we'll go ahead and slide back here in the bathroom. So the bathroom here is going to be actually pretty spacious. So for not having to slide out in the bathroom or anything like that, they gave you plenty of room. So you have a corner shower with a skylight. So that skylight there is going to be, I'll go ahead and open this up for you guys so you can see. That skylight is going to utilize, you know, any more headroom you would need. Rockwood uses porcelain toilets, so it's going to have a porcelain toilet, medicine cabinet, so you can put all your bathroom necessities in there. Nice storage underneath as well, which you'll see this here. They give you some storage underneath, and that's also your water pump access, so any maintenance that needs to be done can be done right there. Yeah, but this is a pretty slick design. Rockwood is trying to give you something. I mean, this one's, it's 24 foot 10 inches, and it weighs 5,639 pounds. So a small truck's gonna pull this, and no problem. So it's real cool how they're able to do this. Just some storage underneath the bed as well. I'll show you this too, because this is actually some pretty decent storage. So they give you that, and that's essentially your pass-through storage. That's still underneath, so you get that too. They utilize all their space here. So they give you a WIFCO as well. So this is cool right here, because this is going to tell you your ampage. So let's just say it's kind of like a diagnostics. So if something is wrong, or you know, you have a light flickering, you could hit that and it runs the diagnostics through everything, and it'll tell you exactly what's going on with it. So that's pretty cool what Rockwood does. Not that anything would go wrong with the Rockwood. It's the best quality unit they make. But in case it does, that's something cool that they offer as well. And then they don't short your storage at all. So you got storage everywhere. So this is a great floor plan for families, especially just getting camping. You don't want to, you know, spend a ton. You don't want to pull a ton. You don't want to go too heavy, but you still want to sleep the whole family. These Rockwood Roos are perfect because you get a feel of a pop-up and you get a feel of a travel trailer, and then you're not breaking the bank. So